Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. I know a lot of you really wanted a chrome nail tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. On my nails right now, I did throw on some tips. I used the ones from Revel, and I've got on the hot pink gel nail wraps from Danni Toni. You can do chrome nails over anything. You can do it over dip powder, gel polish, builder gel, whatever you want to do. This is the chrome that I'm using. It's a super cheap, no-name chrome from Amazon. I will try to link it down below, but you can use any chrome powder you find or you have. You can even use eyeshadow, and I'm going to use a no-wipe gel top coat. I'm going to walk you through this, and then I'm going to tell you about some alternatives if you want to go a different route. So I've got my gel nail wraps on. They are not sticky, they are cured. You want to make sure this is like your last step to finishing your manicure. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my no wipe gel top coat to the entire nail. I'm going to make sure that I cap my free edge. You want to make sure you're always capping your free edge when you're doing a chrome nail, mostly because your chrome will peel off if you don't cap your free edge. So you don't want that happening. So I'm going to go ahead, get this on. Another thing to note about the gel top coat, wherever you put your gel top coat, the chrome powder will stick to. So you want to make sure you're not flooding your cuticles or your sidewall area. You want to be mindful of where you're putting your gel top coat because that is where your chrome is going to be. So once I have it on the entire nail with the free edge capped, I'm going to flip my hand upside down, let this level out. Chrome does a really great job of showing off all your imperfections, if you will. So you want to make sure there is no dust, no debris. This is super level before you cure it. Now I'm going to go ahead and flash cure. I'm only going to cure this for about 15 seconds max. Usually I like to go between 10 and 13 seconds, maximum 15. You only want this semi-cured. I don't know what the magic is. I find that if you cure it the entire 1 minute, like you typically would for a no-wipe gel top, it doesn't hold to the nail as well. So I like to just do a flash cure. Then I'm going to take my chrome powder with my finger. I know you can do this in a million different ways. I find my hands are the best tools for chrome powder. So I'm going to take a little bit on my fingertip and really work that into that gel top coat. I am going to put down a paper towel because chrome powder, as you probably know, gets literally everywhere. So I'm just going to protect my work surface a little bit, even though it really did nothing. And I'm going to work that into that gel top coat. I'm going to buff it. I'm going to make sure it's all the way to the cuticle, all the way in the sides. I'm going to make sure I rub it around that free edge, really work it in there. So once I have all the chrome powder rubbed in, I'm going to go ahead and give this a second cure. As you probably remember, we only did a flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds, so that gel top coat is not fully cured yet. Gel top coat typically takes between 60 seconds and 2 minutes to fully cure, and the last thing you want to do is leave uncured product anywhere near your nails or skin. That can quickly cause a gel allergy, so you want to make sure that's fully cured. So we're going to bake it for a full minute, and I'm going to sit here and let you watch me cure it for a full minute. While I'm doing that, hi, I'm Marlakrishelp. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. I do nail content on this channel twice a week, every week, mostly dip powder, some extensions, tips, builder gel, gel polish, all the nail jazz. So if you're into that kind of thing, consider hanging around. It's free. I won't charge you, I swear, unless you have commitment issues, in which case I will not judge you. But come back at some point. If you feel like you need extra help in the nail department, I do have a Facebook group. I'll leave it linked down below for you. We do not sell anything. There is no ads. It's just a bunch of weirdos doing weird nail shenanigans and helping each other out along the way. So after I get the nail fully cured, I gently remove any excess chrome powder with a very soft, fluffy brush. And then we're going to do our final coat of gel top coat. This is going to seal everything in, hopefully help prevent things from peeling up. I'm going to make sure, again, that I'm being mindful of where I'm putting the gel top coat, because if you have any chrome powder that is living in your sidewall area or in your cuticle area, and you lock that in with your gel top coat, it's there. It's going to live there, and that's where it's going to be. And I'm also going to cap my free edge to make sure that is well sealed in. And then I'm going to give this a final 60-second cure. So I went ahead, cured that for a full minute, and now that nail is completely done. What I like to do is take a little swipe solution or rubbing alcohol on a lint-free wipe and get rid of any chrome that may be hanging around my skin or in my cuticle area. And this is what the finished nail is gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails. While I am doing that, I know there are a lot of you that suffer with gel allergies. I get it. And if you want me to do a separate video on how to do this without using gel, let me know down below and I will put that together for you. But I don't know, if you're an OG, you may have seen this video. I did it a while back. I did chrome stamping. I think it was like a Halloween video that I did maybe a year or so ago. I'll leave it up in the cards if you want to check it out. But there is a way to chrome without gel. It is not my favorite. I'm not the biggest fan because I just find that it comes out better when you're using a no-wipe gel top coat, but it is possible. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put down something sticky on your nail. Typically I would use a gel base coat or a gel primer, but if you wanna go the non-gel route, you can use a sticky nail polish base coat. Maniology has a great one. There are a couple on Amazon, although I think they can be a little bit pricey for some reason. I don't know why. But you can put down something sticky on your nail, take a jelly stamper, rub a little chrome powder on your jelly stamper, and then once your sticky base coat is dried down and it's tacky, you can stamp the chrome powder right over that sticky base coat layer. So that's not a bad alternative if you're trying to stay away from gel, and then I'll just top coat it like usual with a regular nail polish top coat. This is not something that you can use a dip powder top coat for. And I would not suggest doing this with dip liquids. I'm sure a lot of you had that question as well. Dip liquids are very fussy and they dry down in a weird way, I guess. So I would definitely not attempt this with dip liquids. But if you can't do the gel, I get it. There might be another way for you. So again, if you want me to put something together, let me know down below and I'd be happy to do that. And if this video is at all helpful or entertaining or something, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It actually really helps out my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up all of the nails and then you'll see the finished look. So here's the entire hand chromed. I have been literally obsessed with chroming things, nails, only nails lately. I'll put another picture up here of another manicure I did. You can do this with literally any color and it'll look gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope your day is as beautiful as you are. I'll catch you on the next one. Love you, bye.